video, we will discuss how to use the Microsoft Excel Days to Carving ET Programs template to enter and submit ET program data to BreedPlan. When recording Days to Carving information, breeders need to record all events associated with the joining of their females from the start of the mating period in each breeding season through to when the subsequent calves are born. Broadly, this includes joining details of all females mated within the herd, Days to Calving disposal codes for all females that left the herd, particularly those present at joining but not by subsequent calving, details of all calves, dead or alive, that were born as a result of these joinings. Optionally, pregnancy test results can also be submitted. Please note that the Days to Calving analysis currently only utilises information for females that have only been naturally joined within the breeding season. That is, they have not also been included in AI and/or ET programs. However, breeders who undertake ET programs are encouraged to submit ET program information to BreedPlan, where it will be used to assist researchers identify how it may be used in the BreedPlan analysis in the future. For further information, see the Recording Days to Calving tip sheet and associated video available via the Help Centre on the BreedPlan website. The Microsoft Excel Days to Calving ET Programs template is used to submit ET program data to BreedPlan. It is one of several templates available to submit Days to Calving information. All templates can be downloaded from the Help Centre on the BreedPlan website. To ensure that you are using the most recent version, it is recommended that you download the relevant template each time you wish to submit Days to Calving data. On opening the template, you will notice that there are 3 tabs. These are the Instructions tab. Here you will find a description of each of the columns contained in the template and the accepted data input formats. The Example Data Submission tab. Here you will find example records that show how to enter ET program information into the template. The ET Program Details template. This is the template that you will use to enter your ET program details. To enter your ET program details, first enter your herd ident into column B of the top row. You should only need to do this once, as your herd ident should autofill with subsequent records. In this example, we are using herd ident ABC. Now move across to column C, where you can enter the cow ident. If entering ET donor flush details, this will be the ident of the ET donor cow. If entering embryo implant details, this will be the ident of the ET recipient cow. Once you have entered the relevant cow ident, you might notice that a V automatically appears in column A. This code is required for internal BreedPlan processing purposes and should autofill each time you enter a cow ident. To finish entering ET donor flush details, move across to column D, where you should enter the flush date in DD, MM, YY, YY format. Next, in column E, enter code D, which denotes donor cow flush. Optionally, the number of embryos resulting from this flush can be entered into column I. To finish entering additional ET recipient cow details, enter the ET implantation date into column D in DD, MM, YY, YY format. Next, enter code E, which denotes ET registered cow implanted with an embryo, into column E. To enter subsequent records, head back to column C and enter the cow ident of your next animal. Fill in the additional ET program details and repeat until you have entered all of the ET program details you wish to submit to BreedPlan. The file can then be saved and emailed to your BreedPlan Processing Centre. Please include a brief description of the data included in the file. This example dataset could be described as 2019 ET program. For further assistance in using the Microsoft Excel Days to Calving ET programs template, please contact staff at your BreedPlan Processing Centre. Thanks to those who have provided images and video footage for us to use in the Recording for BreedPlan video series.